Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel specialized in designing applications using the MATLAB programming language. This video presents a very beautiful and highly useful application. We call it Calculus Problem Solver. It is very efficient to find limits, derivatives, and integrals for both indefinite and definite integrals. For limits, the user can define any value for x to approach to it. From here, we can select limit and we can select approaches to value. Also, the user can define the lower and upper bounds or limits for definite integral. The application is designed in a way that gives the user the ability to define any mathematical equation. From here, the user can enter his or her mathematical equation that need to be solved by this application. Once the solve button, which is this button, is pressed, the app will directly provide the final answer here in both formats, symbolic format and LaTeX format. The later one, which is LaTeX format, is so important for scholars and for academic purposes because we use these formats to write journal papers, conference papers, technical reports, lots of things with LaTeX format. So this format can save time during writing professional mathematical equations using the LaTeX scripting language. Now let's run the program and try to solve the following problems. Let's run it. And let's also open online LaTeX editor. We can see our program here. And let's solve these problems. Okay, sine x. First, sine x. Okay, and let's see the derivative. Derivative should be cosine x. Cosine x. If it is cosine or if it is sine x and we want to find integrals, then should be also in minus cosine x. The same things for cosine. If it is cosine x, then the derivative should be what? Should be minus sine x. And for indefinite integrals, we will have this one. Okay, now let's solve this one, for example. Let's go to derivatives and let's write this one. Exponential of 3 times x times cosecant x. And let's solve it. Yeah, this one exponential. Okay. So it will give us these equations. Let's see the LaTeX format, which is this one. Let's take it, copy and paste it here. So it will give us this equation. So this is the answer. Let's make it 150. Okay. Now let's make it more complicated. The questions. Let's solve this one. So here what we have is, can make it like this. Okay, to see more. So it will be like this. And let's write this equation. Now let's solve it, this problem, this one, and let's see what is the derivative. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the solution here? We can take it copy. Let's see it also in symbolic format. It is this one. And let's see it in professional way, using LaTeX also. Equation too long. So we need to use another online LaTeX editor for long equations. So I will come here, online editor. So for that, I will use this online LaTeX editor because it provides long equations. It can show long equations. So we can see that one. We can see without ads. Let's close ads. We can see it here. So this is the answer. Can you imagine how complicated it is? This is the solution of this problem, this one. And this is our application. You can see it here. Also, let's write, for example, any simple equations. For example, 1 or x divided by x squared plus 1. Okay, and let's find indefinite integral. So it will be this one or this one. Okay, and if it is definite integral from 0 to 10, it will be this value. Okay, 2.3076. If it is limit, we can let it approach to 0 and it will be 0. If it is approaching 2, it will be 2 over 5. If it is 2.2, for example, it will be this value. So at the end, you can have the app from the links provided below in the description. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to see more applications. Goodbye.